The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Where are you dealing?
How them boy you do?
Yeah, them thump a little girl in her foot and take her off one.
So what them a walk? Walk them a walk?
No, I carry them drive.
This?
Yeah.
And I go in and take phone?
Yeah.
Them a go in and take phone? I want to see them face, man. Pussy hole, yeah? And them a take the phone, them. And I carry them a drive. Yeah. Them teeth no blood clot. Them outer than teeth and bright. Fuck on and get
I take the man, I thump little schoolers, I take with them phone. I fuck with that I go on. You see? Yeah man, the big man them, yeah man, them go walk man, I thief people phone man. And the schoolers phone to a thumb schoolers in them face. And I take people phone, I fuck with them I go on man. Fuck with us I go on man dog. Fuck with this.
Do it downtown and take away little boy money.
Yeah.
Then you say little boy cousin across the road. And when the whole of them run one leg back and the whole of one they see them. Kill it. And his face me want to see man. Now go hold up them.
But the boy them man, strong boy them we can go do all blood clot construction we can make them money. Them a thump little pit in them face and I take with them phone. How wicked boy them here man, you see how wicked boy them here. The boy look like he have a gun this one. Look, you see my shirt, watch it. Officer, watch yourself! Officer, watch yourself! See how many fingers sitting there? Watch yourself, officer! Look like you have got search them, you know. Wanna search them! Search them, cause look like something go around there. Search them, officer! Search them! Cause look like something go on. Search them! Wanna search them! Search them, cause something go on. Search them! Move on this, no move, no move, no move. Yeah, no move. As the police excited, no move.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. You know, now viewers and subscribers, I just presented a video to you that is out on social media, and based on some of the things that has been said on social media and what I've seen in the video is that persons that is considered to be thieves had been caught, you know, and they have been caught red-handed certain ways. That's what I'm saying to you. And I'm looking in the video and I saw persons that are said to be firearm holder. Is what I'm saying to you. And it's quite clear that these persons that is considered to be thieves had been arrested by police officers as well, you know. Now there is more to this story, viewers and subscribers. However, you know, I can't really say what is not confirmed, you know. But however, based on what I've heard in the video, it seems as if these persons that is considered to be thieves had grabbed a phone or grabbed items from persons, you see me? And you can hear where they said that they have punched someone, and it seems as if one of the victims is someone that is underage. You understand? Like I said, there is more to this whole thing that had happened, you know, but some of these things have not been confirmed to my knowledge, you know what I mean? But I'm just telling you based on what has been said out there on social media and so on, alright? Yeah, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on, you know. And this, what you're looking at, it happened right in Jamaica, right? And the exact location in where in Jamaica this had happened, the exact location as to where in Jamaica this had happened, I don't have the full information to that. Alright? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this, what had happened, you know, and you know, you don't know me there, so keep it up to date and posted like I said. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?